Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Which digit is in the 10,000 column? Okay, can you have a quick one? Because I don't see all of them too. So I need all of you to go to this chat function for question number 1. Which one is in the 10,000 place? Okay, put in. Wow, so fast, so fast. Okay, then I must also be fast. Okay, 10,000 will be like that. So 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this one is 1,000. So this 1,000, so 8 is the digit. Good. Most of them put CCC, then 1, 8. Yeah. Okay. All right. Just be very careful with you are supposed to choose alphabet. That's the thing. Highlighter. So it's for C, right? Next question. 40 divided by 200. What is 40 divided by 200? This one no calculator. Okay. Let's take a look. You can cancel, divide by 4, 1, divide by 4, 5. So if you have 1/5, then that is even easier. You get a 0.2. Okay, then this is option D. All right. Next question, number 3. Which of the following is the closest to 1/3? Oh, okay. This one I need to go slower because this one is a very common question where many people will always do a longer way. Closest to 1/3. So meaning to say we must first find the difference. You realize something or not? You have a numerator all very small one. So now we are going to change my numerator to their common numerator. So we compare 4, 9, and then we versus 1/3. Okay. So can I change this to 4? Can I change this to 4? So you get 4 out of 12. Wait, 9. Oh, we can do the denominator, sorry, because this is 3. So we compare versus 1/3. Okay. So 1/3, what we can do, we change this to 9. We just want to compare, okay? 9, and this is 3, 9. So what is the difference between 4, 9 and 3, 9? The difference is 1, 9. Okay? Then the second one, what you can have is this one. You have 2/3, and then I versus 1/3. What is their difference? When 2/3 minus 1/3, you get a 1/3. Number C, half. So with a half, you want to check versus 1/3. So you minus half with 1/3. You actually have 6. 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. Then the last one, you also want to versus 1/3, which you can change this to 12 times 4. So 7/12 minus 4/12, we'll get to 3/12. You get to 1/4. Okay, if I take a look, which one is cut into many parts? The most number of parts we are now comparing. Okay, which is the smallest fraction here? So you have 1/9, you have 1/3, you have 1/6, you have 1/4. So the closer it is means the smallest fraction you must choose. Okay, so choose the smallest fraction. Let's check it out. Okay. So question 2, can I have your correct? Wait. Okay, then from here, I want you to answer your Q2. What is your answer for Q2? Tommy say Yeah, okay, correct. Mm. Why 6? Don't put 6. Ah. Carefully, think carefully. Oh, sorry, this one is question 3, huh? Yeah, sorry, question 3, my bad. This one is question 3, yeah. Tell me why you give me question 7. I don't want question 7, I'm doing question 3 first. Okay, don't give me the rest because if let's say later you still need to fill in again. Okay, some of them get A, B, B, some got A, some got B. Now, do you understand what is going on or not? In order to choose the smallest fraction, that is called the smallest difference, ma. Right not? So that's 3, You need to have a smallest difference. So you choose the smallest fraction. Okay? So your answer, A, because 19 is the smallest fraction. Okay? And 19 is option A. Next question. In the figure below, AD is equals to CD. Okay, so let's check this. AD itself is here, is equals to CD, which is here, and they are of equal side. Find the area of triangle ABC, which is this portion here. Okay, then let's do this. So meaning to say you will need to know the base, right? So where's the base? Who can tell me where's the base of the triangle? Here. Q4. Who? Q4. Oh, your right answers already so fast. Okay, wow, you're very proactive leh. Q4 answer, Jaden already right here. Very good. Okay, Jaden, let me check your Jaden. Yeah. Jaden, your score is quite well. Did you try? Very good. So no, the question is I need to find something else here. Let's check. Okay, look here. When you have 9, here to here must also be 9 centimeter. So when you need to know the base, you need to use your 12 to minus 9, and that give you 3 cm here. So you have the base as 3 and the height as 9. So its area will be half times 3 times 9, which will give you 27 over 2, which will give you 13.5, which is A. Okay. Next one. Wow, the response is good. Okay, I saw Jingying also. Thank you. Okay. So far, how many of you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of you. Yes, very good. Okay, next question. Let's take a look at number 5. Try here. The mall show the parking for the fees there. So what you need to do is to find the hours where he parked from 11:30 a.m. to 1:40 p.m., which is on the same day. All right. And he want to find the parking fee, the total one. So now the thing is that you need to understand what is the table given to you. It is meant for the first hour only. So it's only from 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Okay, so this one is $3 he has to pay. So then half subsequent hour, we must go and find how many half an hour from here to here. So we got to draw a timeline from 12:30 p.m. Then we have to go to 1 p.m. Then you got to go to 2 p.m. No doubt it is 1:40 about here, but you still need to pay in the part thereof by half an hour. Okay, so you need to have 2 blocks of 30 minutes. That's the thing lah. So in order to have that, you must pay 2 times. Okay, here. So here will be $1.20 times 2, $1.20 times 2. So 240. Okay, what is your answer for that? You type already, ah? So fast. Oh, okay. 240 plus 240, then plus 3, you should get down to 3. Then you have 120 times 2, 240. 130. Oh, I should put here 1:30 p.m. lah, huh? 1 hour. So if I have 1:30 p.m., then I go to 2 p.m. is enough. Then I don't need to times 2. Okay. So I should have $6.60 from here because of my $3. 120 times 3. Okay, order of operation $1.30. This one must do first. Okay, so that's where you get your $6.60, which is part C. Okay. Next question. Which 2 lines are perpendicular to each other? Please, you must understand what is called perpendicular. It will form a 90 degree. We call them perpendicular line. It can be like that. Can be like that. Okay, so this is called perpendicular line. And they must be to each other. Okay, so you take a look, AB and BC. AB, BC, is it correct or not? Use your ruler, like the corner of the ruler. Yeah, possible. AB, BC, possible. But you must go on to check. Don't stop here for 6A. Yeah. Okay, A, B, and B, C, possible or not? Let me check. Use a ruler. A, B, B, C. Which 2 lines? AC, how about AC? AC and ED is out. Okay, so this is out. We have AC and CE also out. We have CE and ED. Okay, CE and ED, this is 90 degree. So this one is okay. All right. Then you have AB and AC and BC is not, because this is like that. So this one is out. Okay, good. All right. Thank you for your response. D, yeah. Okay. Okay, so I highlight this with the darkened line, 90 degree. Okay, next question. A group of 800 adults were asked to choose their favorite food, and the type of food they choose was presented. Which type of food was 40% of the adult? So how much is the 40%? Because this is 800. So you need to